In a vibrant meadow filled with blooming flowers and lush greenery, lived a beautiful butterfly named Bella. Bella loved fluttering around, enjoying the sweet nectar of the flowers. One sunny day, as she danced in the air, she noticed a bird named Benny perched on a tree branch. "Hello there, I've never seen you around before. My name is Bella. What's yours?" "Hi, Bella. I'm Benny, the bird that I just moved here. This meadow is so beautiful." Bella and Benny quickly became friends. They spent their days exploring the meadow together. Benny would fly high in the sky, showing Bella the world from above, while Bella would introduce Benny to the most fragrant flowers. One day, dark clouds gathered, and a storm began to brew. Bella, being delicate, struggled to find shelter. Benny saw his friend in trouble and flew down to help her. "Bella, hop on my back. I'll take you to a safe place." Bella climbed onto Benny's back, and he swiftly flew them to a cozy nook under a large tree. They waited out the storm, huddled together. "Bella, thank you, Benny. I don't know what I would have done without you." "Benny, that's what friends are for, Bella. We look out for each other." As the storm passed, the meadow seemed even more beautiful. The flowers bloomed brighter, and the air was fresher. Bella and Benny resumed their adventures, now with an even stronger bond of friendship. The butterfly and the bird taught us a valuable lesson: true friends are always there for each other, no matter the circumstances. Bella and Benny's friendship showed that no matter how different we are, we can always find common ground and support. And so, Bella and Benny continued to explore the world together, their friendship growing stronger with each passing day.